unique and innovative AI-powered home-based business ideas. Whether you are a stay-home parent, a student, or just a side hustle seeker, then this video is just for you. We're going to look at a step-by-step guide to starting each of these ideas. We shall be considering the customer segments, the value proposition, how to stand out in a competitive market, and how to scale up and make more money. Offer writing services. Using AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper AI, you can create blog content, you can create social media content. Then go ahead to create a portfolio for yourself. To create a portfolio, you might need to do 1 or 2 free jobs or really discounted jobs for family or friends, or create a blog for yourself, and you can direct customers to see this as part of your portfolio. Once you've done this, it is time to start marketing on your social media channels. Don't underestimate Facebook. You can join groups on Facebook so you can market your services there. Also, you can advertise on your Instagram posts, Instagram stories, or even on your TikTok. And if you have a YouTube channel, you can advertise on YouTube. Let's quickly consider AI-driven graphic design. To start, you want to learn more about graphic design. Utilize AI design platforms such as Canva. Promote your work through social media channels. And for your customer segment, we have small business owners, we have digital marketers, and even influencers. Let's quickly consider AI content creation and freelancing. You can use AI tools like WriteSonic, Jasper AI, or even ChatGPT to set up this business. This business entails helping your clients write blog posts, product description, blog captions, social media captions, etc. You can use Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn to find clients. Now, to stand out, you want to offer quality products but also fast return times. A lot of people running businesses online, time is a luxury that they can't afford. So if you're going into AI content creation and freelancing, one way you can stand out is quick turnaround time. Let's look at AI digital products business. We're talking about ebook publishing, social media templates, planners, journals, menus. You can use Jasper AI, ChatGPT, or even DeepSeek to generate your book outlines. You can use Canva templates to create those stunning book covers. You can also use Canva AI to create descriptions for your book. You can sell them on Gumroad, on Etsy, on Shopify, on your own website, or even here on YouTube. So you want to sell on platforms with inbuilt traffic. Example of such platforms, we have Shopify, we have Etsy, we have Gumroad, also have Amazon Marketplace. Now, to stand out or even make noise or create more awareness on your brand, you want to set up an Instagram page or a TikTok page for that specific digital hustle. You can take 3 days to write an amazing ebook, or take 3 days to create your ebook. Sell it for £10. Aim to sell 100 ebooks. So you don't need all the traffic, all the subscribers, or all the followers in the world to start making money online. You can create review blogs, tutorials, and even AI newsletter. Now you can monetize this blog through affiliate marketing. Don't know what affiliate marketing companies to join first? I have now attached my Temu link in the description, and you can also join Fiverr, CJ Affiliate. Under CJ Affiliate, there are so many companies affiliated to them. Finally, you can also join Amazon Affiliate or Amazon Associates. Apart from affiliate marketing, you can also sell your own books on your blog. I've been doing that already, and you can create your own courses and sell on that same. Developers are already building AI tools, Chrome extensions, using DeepSeek models. So you don't need a background in this. You can team up with a coder or one of your tech bro or sis to put you through and come together to create a powerful SaaS product. So with DeepSeek, you can create your software as a service. Your SaaS are those products or those apps that people don't need to download. They can just use them online. Think of it like Netflix. You pay for it every month probably, but you don't own it. Normally, we have Canva, even ChatGPT. So these are all SaaS products. If you have a winning product idea in mind, do your research and have your chat with DeepSeek AI, and this might just be your time to leverage artificial intelligence. You can teach people how to use DeepSeek AI. You could create a YouTube channel or a Facebook channel dedicated to DeepSeek AI. Teach people how to make money from it. Create your own courses. Also, you can monetize content that you create from DeepSeek. You can create a beginner-friendly course on how to use DeepSeek AI or DeepSeek AI 101. Big companies like OpenAI and Google are leading the race, but DeepSeek AI is flying under the radar. This is your Bitcoin in 2012 moment. Now, most AI tools ignore African languages, dialects, and even regional niches. What if you fine-tuned DeepSeek to understand Igbo language, Igala, Hausa language, or even Pidgin English? AI-powered video editing and animation services. Head over to Runway ML or even Pika Labs to generate those AI videos. You can offer your customers things like YouTube intro, YouTube outro, animation, YouTube shorts, or even Instagram reels. So you can set up a Fiverr or Upwork gig to attract clients. For your value proposition, offer your clients high quality professional videos, but at a fraction of the cost they do it for originally. Resume writing and LinkedIn profile optimization. To get started, you can use Resume AI or ChatGPT to craft those unique CVs. Use SEO strategies to rank on Google so people can even come across your business even without paying a dime for advertisement. For your customer segments, we've got the job seekers, the career changers, and the professionals. For your value proposition, hire job placement with optimized LinkedIn profile. Virtual AI business coaching. You can use ChatGPT or Jasper AI to generate and create business insights. You can offer strategy sessions via Zooms. Use AI and analytics to monitor your customers' progress. For your customer segments, we have entrepreneurs, we have startups, and we have business owners. And for your value proposition, data-driven business strategies. Leverage AI-powered insights and automated scheduling. This way, you don't have to be missing an appointment or trying to be entering everything in your manual diary. Let's consider AI-powered online cooking classes and recipe ebooks. If you love cooking, don't waste the skill. Use ChatGPT to generate and create those unique recipes. You can sell your books on Amazon, on Gumroad, or even here on YouTube. Host live classes via Zoom or Patreon. Now for your customer segments, we have home cooks, we have food bloggers, we have busy professionals, or just someone trying to learn how to cook. And for your value proposition, you have your unique AI generated recipes and your interactive classes and workshops. Create a YouTube channel if you don't have one already and start working towards your monetization. Online business ideas. Please, which of these ideas are you doing already, or which one of them would you be trying out? Let me know in the comments below. And if you are just joining me for the first time, please remember to hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications so we can win together. And if you have been here before, thank you so much for your constant, unwavering support. We love you and we appreciate you.